Meaning of defoliant.
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 Defoliant. A defoliant is a chemical substance that is used to remove the leaves from plants, often in agricultural or military contexts. When a defoliant is applied to plants, the leaves will wither and fall off, leaving the plants bare or almost bare. This can have significant impacts on the environment and ecosystem, as defoliation can disrupt food chains, damage habitats, and even contribute to erosion. Additionally, many defoliants have been found to have harmful effects on human health, making their use a subject of controversy and concern.